What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be working on an S2000 right here. We're going to be doing an interior cleanup and adding a little bit of spice to the interior to add the little OEM Plus refresh. It's kind of hot outside, so let's go ahead and get to it and knock this out. Should be relatively easy. I hope you guys enjoy. Watch. Yeah, so it's really hot outside, so I'm trying my best to record, but I'm just sweating the storm. I've took out the seat already. I vacuumed it out over here. So took out this carpet. You're probably wondering why I took that carpet out, and it's because, bam! This is the OEM Plus that I was talking about. So yeah, it was so hot. I was trying to just do this as quick as possible. So basically, this has Velcro on this side. And this, so there's so under the carpet, if you rub your finger really hard, like press down into it, you can feel like a hole or a depression, and under there is where you want to cut or make the slit, because that way the rubber grommet or the plastic grommet that goes in and plugs into here, that's where it goes. And then you, as you see here, you put the tab and then a screw over it and screw it down. Same goes for here. And the cut does not have to be perfect, because as you guys just saw, you're gonna cover everything, so it's gonna look like nothing's even there. But yeah, it's just really hot right now, and I wish I can do this in a garage, but I just gotta work with what I have. So yeah, let me go ahead and put this back on for you guys. Clip that there, clip that there, and then secure it to the Velcro. And bam, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat back, which is just the 212s up front, 214s in here. I already vacuumed this little section, so it's nice and clean. Ready to put in the seat back. So same principle goes for the driver's side. Took the seat out. Make sure you get the sensor. It's really dirty, so let's go ahead and vacuum that up. It's much better. You can see here this is really worn out, so that access floor mats are really going to help hide that. And now let's go ahead and put the new access mat. So these tabs here, these are the ones that you're going to be replacing for the driver's side. And you can just, the driver's side is really easy, because all you have to do, because these tabs here, they're already mounted, so you're just going to replace the mount with the new one. And you can see here where you can feel it where the mount is at. You can even see it. So you just have to make a slit however you want here, and then the other one's right here too. I can feel that. So that's where you basically want to make your slit. You just install the new brackets, and then boom, you're good to go. And so here we have the finished product. Alright guys, we just finished up the interior on the S2000, the OEM refresh with the Honda access mats, as you can see here. Yeah, really brings up the interior a lot. I was debating between red and black, but eventually I chose red just to give it that extra pop on the interior. And now the final thing we have to install is something under the hood. Here we have a spoon oil cap to get rid of that ugly orange one that we have right here, actually. Yeah, that has got to go. So we're gonna be replacing that. And the final piece is in. The oil cap, Spoon Sports, got it off of eBay for 20 bucks. And I think it makes a way better difference than the orange that did not match with anything in here. So, yep, really happy about that. Wrap for today. Engine oil cap and access floor mats. Time to be super paranoid about dirty feet getting inside my car. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.